It was 11:30 p.m. The city was falling asleep, and the last bus of the day rumbled down an almost empty street. On that night, one young man, tired, drenched in sweat, and worn out by life, was running desperately. His name was Arun. At just 23, Arun had more responsibilities than most people his age. He wasn't running for fun. He was running for his future, and for someone he loved dearly. He had worked 14 long hours delivering packages across the city, under the hot sun, in the heavy rain, skipping meals just to earn an extra few hundred rupees. All because he had a dream he refused to give up on. His younger sister wanted to study engineering, a dream he never got to chase. So he worked tirelessly until his legs begged for rest. When he finally jumped onto the last bus, he breathed heavily, grateful he wouldn't have to walk 12 kilometers home. The bus was almost empty, just a few sleepy passengers, and one man who caught his attention. In the corner near the window sat an elderly man, fragile, shaking slightly, holding an old cloth bag close to his chest. Arun hesitated. He was exhausted, but something inside him told him to sit near the old man. For a moment, he closed his eyes and remembered his mother's voice. If you cannot give someone money, give them kindness. The old man turned to him and whispered, "Son, will this bus stop near the government hospital?" Arun nodded gently, but before he could say anything else, the old man collapsed, right onto his shoulder. The bus froze. Passengers looked, but no one moved. Arun shouted for help. He shook the man, called for the driver, and within seconds, the bus screeched to a stop. With all his strength, Arun lifted the unconscious man and rushed him to the emergency ward of the nearby hospital. He filled out forms silently, his stomach empty, his body trembling from exhaustion. But he did not leave. Hours passed. The hospital lights flickered. The clock struck 2 a.m., then 3, then 4. Finally, a doctor walked out and said, "You did the right thing bringing him here." A few minutes later, and we could not have saved him. Arun felt relief wash over him. In the old man's pocket, he found a tiny notebook, with one emergency number written almost unreadably. He called it immediately. At sunrise, a well-dressed man ran into the hospital, fear in his eyes, hope in his heart. He rushed to the bed, saw his father alive, and tears filled his eyes. "Who brought him here?" he asked. The nurse pointed at Arun, a tired young man sitting quietly in the corner. The man walked to him, held his hands, and said, "You saved my father. I don't know how to thank you, but I will." The next morning, he invited Arun to his office. Arun had no idea who this man was. When he reached the office the next day, he was shocked. People greeted the man with respect, calling him, "Sir, CEO, Chairman." Arun felt small, out of place, but the CEO welcomed him warmly. "You didn't just save a life. You saved my father," the CEO said with tears still in his eyes. "I want to help you too." He handed Arun an offer letter, a full-time job, a stable salary, benefits, everything Arun never had. But the CEO wasn't done. "Your sister wants to study engineering, right? I will take care of her entire education." For the first time in years, Arun cried openly. Not from pain, but from the unexpected kindness of life. The old man later blessed him like a grandson. He said, "In a world full of people walking past each other, you chose to stop." Arun's life changed from that moment. Months passed. He worked hard, grew in his job, and his sister began her engineering studies with joy and pride. Years later, she graduated with honors. Arun sat in the front row, cheering louder than anyone else. His eyes filled with tears. Not because life was easy, but because he chose kindness when he had nothing. Sometimes, the smallest act of compassion becomes the greatest turning point of your life. Arun still remembers that night. Whenever he passes the old bus stop, he smiles, knowing everything changed on that simple ride. And this story is a reminder for all of us. You never know how powerful one good deed can be. You never know who you are helping. You never know how life will reward your kindness. So be kind, be human, be the miracle in someone's darkest moment. And trust me, life will return that kindness to you in ways you cannot imagine. Thank you so much for watching this inspiring story. If this touched your heart, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful real life stories. Your support means everything.